Welcome back, YouTube. This is your boy Bashad, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another HTV heat transfer vinyl, but this time I'm going to be using the rainbow reflective. It's kind of a black color, and when you flash, it would have rainbow colors, and we will be doing the CDG hearts. So here is what we will be putting on the shoe. I am going to put this on the all white Air Force 1's, and yeah, let me set the camera up. It's gonna be a nice quick video. You need some shoes, HTV, my weeding tool, and a mini iron. I have it on already, so I'm not gonna move it because it's nice and warm. Also might need some scissors to cut the excess away, the excess vinyl. So yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that tutorial on how to do some CDG hearts, black reflective, rainbow reflective style. I got some big hearts and then mini hearts. I believe these were like 1 inch, 1.5, and these are like 0.5 inch hearts. And I just put them on the shoe. Only did one shoe. I do the other one. You also can add them wherever else you like, but this is just the style how I did them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I will keep bringing heat to you. Also comment down below if you will rock these, do these yourself, or buy these. Just talk to me. Yeah, appreciate y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm out.